Now I will walk you through the steps to download and install Vivado. It's a straightforward process, and we'll take it step by step. First, open Google and search for Vivado. Click on the first link with downloads in the title. Once you're on the page, you'll see the latest version of Vivado available. While there are older versions, we'll use the latest one for this demonstration. On the Vivado download page, you'll see options for Windows and Linux operating systems. In this case, I'll choose Windows. After clicking the Windows option, it will ask you to log in. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one. If you already have an account, simply log in. After logging in, you'll be prompted to fill in some personal details. Just provide the necessary information based on your situation. Scroll to the bottom of the page, and you'll see a download button. Click it, and the browser will start downloading the installer. Once the download is complete, open the installer by double-clicking it. The installation interface will notify you of the supported system versions, such as Windows 10 or Windows 11. Make sure your system is compatible. If not, you might need to download an earlier version. The interface will also have some red warning messages. Be sure to read them carefully. Once everything looks good, click Next. The installer will prompt you to log in again using your AMD account. Use the account you registered earlier or log in with your existing one, then proceed to the next step. Here, choose to install Vivado. If you need additional tools or components, you can opt to install them as well. Then, click Next. I recommend selecting the standard version since it's free. If you have a corporate license, you can opt for the enterprise version. But for learning purposes, the free version should suffice. You'll be prompted to select which components you want to install. It's not necessary to install everything. For example, I personally only keep the 7 series support package and deselect the others to save space. After making your choices, click Next. As for the terms and conditions, simply select Agree and click Next. If you don't want to install Vivado on the C drive, you can change the installation path to D drive or another location. After making adjustments, click Next. At this point, you'll see a summary of the version and options you've selected for installation. Double-check everything, and if all looks good, click Install and wait for the process to complete. Once the installation is done, you can open Vivado and start using it. If you've installed other versions or have a specific license for certain features, go to the Help menu and find the License Manager. Here, you can activate the licenses you need. You may be prompted to log in to your account again. That's it. The download and installation process for Vivado is complete. Congratulations! Now we're ready to start our VHDL learning journey. If you're interested in my content, please subscribe to my channel for more updates. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. See you in the next video.